bobbin on the Baby Lock Zest is easy. The first step we're going to take is we're going to extend the thread spool pins so that we can place our thread in place. Now we're going to go ahead and wrap our thread around the thread tension for that bobbin and bring that over. The next step is to place the thread through the eye or through the hole of the bobbin and then place it on the bobbin winding spindle. Once we have the bobbin in place, we can go ahead and slide it over to the bobbin thread capacity indicator. Our final step is to release the hand wheel by pulling it out to the right, and now we can go ahead and start to wind the bobbin by pressing on the foot control. We're going to get rid of that thread tail and then continue to press on the foot control as the bobbin winds. The bobbin speed is controlled by how hard or how much pressure you put on the foot control. Once you have your bobbin to the capacity that you feel you're going to need for your project, or that you will need for your project, you go ahead and you'll release your foot from the foot control. You'll slide the bobbin back over to the left, and the final part is to make sure that you put that hand wheel back in by pushing it in. And now from here we're ready to go ahead and thread our bobbin.